Greetings. How are you today?
How about you?
I'm pardon me? December present? Next week. Next week is one week. I will sometimes go to toilet. Lesson from the last topic, but before we start our lesson, one of you come up here to bring the prayer.
Mr.
Madam.
Let us pray. Amen. Yes, I know.
Okay, level of organization.
No organisasi. Yeah. Organism. Yeah.
Living things. Right?
All living things.
Yes. Okay. From the last topic, we know that the level of organization of living things start from the cells, right?
Yes.
Do you still remember what cells mean?
Yes.
Cells
Is
is
some of you, please?
Small unit.
Yes,
the
correct.
smallest unit.
Give applause for Finas. Okay, cell is the smallest part of organism. But remember, it's structural and functional. Okay, the small structural and functional things of organism. Now we are going to learn about the next steps is tissue. Do you know what tissue means?
Jaringan.
It doesn't mean tissue like this.
Oh
Okay?
yeah, I think this.
It's about jaringan.
Not net, right?
Yeah. And it's jaringan if we translate it to English, but in biology terms, we use tissue, not network. Okay?
Yeah.
Network only used for internet.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now we are going to learn about tissue. What is tissue mean? Do you know, Miss Ladies? No?
I don't know.
Okay,
Kumpulan
so,
sel.
yes, correct. The
Now give a
group
plus, miss.
of cells. Okay, give a plus. Yeah. So, the group of cells. Yeah, the group of cells with the same function, building tissue of organism. But now, the topic of tissue that we're going to learn today is divided into two big groups from the animal tissues and also the plant tissues. Okay? Yeah. Animal tissues. Animal tissues are divided also into four. The first one is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue, yes. You can see.
That's a why. No? Okay, saya
Okay, the next one is muscle tissue. Muscle. Yes, muscle tissue. The next one is nervous tissue. Nervous. Yes. Jaringan saraf. Nervous tissue. And the last one is connective tissue. Connective tissue, yes. Connective tissues means jaringan ikat or jaringan penghubung.
Not jaringan ikan.
Nah, ikat. Tidak T, okay? With T at the end of the word. And the next one is plant tissues. Plant tissues are different with the animal tissue. Plant tissues are divided into two big groups. The meristematic tissues.
We have marked tissue means tissue.
Okay, meristematic tissues and also the permanent tissues.
Spider permanent.
Okay.
Spider-Man. Spider.
From here, any of you want to ask about our topic for today? Any questions?
Now